How to get verified on TikTok app. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your TikTok app on phone.
One
Tap on your
rumor about
profile that is on the bottom right corner. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you need to scroll down to the very bottom, then tap on Support. Tap on Help Center. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Get Verified. Tap on Verified Accounts on TikTok. Now you can scroll down and go through these articles. Under How are verified badges given, you need to read the following things. We consider a number of factors before granting a verified badge, such as whether the notable account is authentic, unique, and active. Keep in mind, we don't consider the number of followers or likes on the account as requirement when granting verification badge. Now scroll down to see other requirements. Now under How to get verified on TikTok, you can see the steps. In the TikTok app, tap on Profile in the bottom and tap on Menu button at the top. Tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Manage Account. Then tap on Verification. So that is how to simply get verified on TikTok. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.